How to remove suggested for you on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove suggested for you on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application. You will land on the app's homepage as you can see here. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your Instagram account as you can see here. On this page, there are sections that you can use to navigate to different sections of your account. From them, tap this one here with the hamburger symbol. Ensure you follow the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This is the activity and settings page of the app. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app as you can see here. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section here. This section has several options. From those options, make sure you tap on this one here named Your Activity. Please wait for the page to finish loading. On this page, many options can help you manage your different activities on the app. From those options, make sure you scroll a little bit to the bottom and come to this section named How You Use Instagram. Under the section, there are more options. From them, tap this one named Recent Searches. This page will then appear where you will see all your Instagram searches. You have to ensure you remove or delete these search suggestions. To do that, ensure you tap on this option here named Clear All. The searches will then be cleared. Also, you can delete one search suggestion at a time or delete only ones you don't want to appear. To do that, all you have to do is tap on the X icons beside each search suggestion, and just like that, it will be deleted. There is also another way you can remove search suggestions. Come back to the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the search icon here at the bottom of the page. You will then see the Explore page. From there, go to the top search bar here, and you'll be able to see all searches you have. Make sure you get rid of them too here by following the steps I'm showing you. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks! That is how to remove suggested for you on Instagram.